Car camping unlocks a different way of giving yourself a break from hustle and give your thoughts a moment. Whether you are on an epic road trip or want to explore outdoors with your car, you need to have some gear that can enhance your total experience. Though camping normally means roughing it and going without a number of basic creature and day-to-day amenities, car camping opens the door to a host of gear and equipment that wouldn't normally be considered if you were hiking into camp on foot. That is why in our today's video, we're gonna talk about the best 10 car camping gear that you can have to enjoy your trip with ultimate comfort and convenience.
Check the video description for the links of the products. Since you are a new channel, don't forget to subscribe us as it will help us grow. Now let's enjoy the video.
Get yourself introduced with Kelty Big G, a unique storage system that enables you to efficiently pack, unload and reload an entire campsite's worth of stuff without any hassle. Offering a collapsible storage system which is designed to help you efficiently pack, unload and reload your gear to save some time and space on your next car camping. The Big G helps you organize just about anything, including the largest and smallest items or bags will stay organized so that you can add more fun on your camping trip. Keep all of your kit dry and safe, as this beautiful bag comes with a perfect combination of polyester waterproof materials, which is also durable to ensure long-time use without any problem. To ease your work, the Big G features high-quality carry or side handles for easy transport and put together the adventure available in a 4 variety of sizes so that you can grab one to fulfill your desires. Maximize your carrying capacity on a car camping trip with Kelty Big G and enjoy your trip to the fullest. And you could get one for yourself just around $90 from online. Enjoying meal with your loved ones on a car camping is one of the delightful things you can do. That is why you should have the KingCamp folding table, a unique table that you can easily carry in your car. The roll-up tabletop is made of aluminum alloy, which provides a rigid work surface and dining area and fine grind finish that keeps safe from scratch, rust, and after use, you can easily clean it up. The top also heats resistant, so you can even set it on sunlight without any worry. Amazing telescoping leg design allows the one-piece, full-size table to collapse easily and fold compactly so you can carry around your trip, and non-slip foot pads with safety lock features provide excellent stability. Its durable steel frame can carry up to 176 pounds of weight, and it is specially designed for 4 to 6 people so that no one misses the fun and every single one can enjoy their favorite meal on a car camping. A good companion on your outdoor trip makes your travel more relaxed, and the KingCamp folding camping table helps to add more fun when you are planning to spend time with your friends and family. And if you're just out for a car camping trip, you can get it at around $75 from online. Sit with utmost comfort and sip your favorite drink with GCI Outdoor Road Trip Rocking Chair, a super comfy chair that delivers the ultimate comfort to enhance your trip. Its amazing backrest construction offers maximum comfort and supports your back, and mesh paneling promotes airflow for ventilated seating that stays cool on hot days so you can just relax on a car camping. Its sturdy and lightweight powder-coated aluminum frame ensures a strong bone structure with molded armrests supporting up to 250 pounds without any problem. Drink your favorite smoothie or coffee and keep your hands free, as this rocking chair has a cup holder so you can put your coffee cup or water bottle on it and enjoy the scenario. With versatile update design and spring action rocking technology, this rocking chair allows itself to fold together so you can fit inside the carry bag for transportation on any camping. While relaxing, it is very important to have a comfort companion for your back on an outdoor adventure. And to rock in comfort, the GCI Outdoor Road Trip Rocking Chair is your next camping trip buddy. So enjoy the trips just as your heart desires. And at a price of around $70, you've ensured a healthy bargain. Introducing Nomad Kitchen, the best mobile camp kitchen that lets you take your kitchen on the road and gain the ability to prep, cook, and clean with ease. The Nomad Kitchen acts as your slide-out kitchen in your car. It comes included with heavy-duty slides, locking drawers, and rugged construction, which can handle a maximum payload of up to 200 pounds. It offers a spacious drawer for your 2-burner stove and includes stainless steel wash basin, bamboo cutting board, space to support water tank, and many more to provide fully featured kitchen wherever you go. The Nomad Kitchen is compatible with most vehicles and is fully customizable so that you can get the perfect kitchen you always wanted on a car camping. The Nomad Kitchen is the ultimate mobile kitchen solution that you can have to spice up your car camping. No one knows when an emergency situation may arise, so keeping a med or first aid kit is an essential option. To handle any unwanted strategy, MyFak packs first aid essentials to provide you a helping hand. This life-saving gear comes in 2 different versions, one is basic and another one is advanced. Both of these bags contain similar items, but the advanced one has a burn dressing, tourniquet, quick cloth, and many more for better preparation. MyFak comes in a water-resistant backpack made out of 600 dinar nylon pack cloth to keep kits dry and protected in emergencies. These kits have rip-away hook and loop panels that offer easy access and feature fold-out detachable mesh pocket for convenient storing. The first aid kit meets or exceeds the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, and it's also ANSI approved. The MyFak First Aid Kit can be used for emergencies anywhere thanks to its versatile design, which allows carrying wherever you go on a car camping. Keep all of your devices powered up on your car camping with Bluetti AC200, the most versatile solar power station that delivers essential power supply to spice up your party. Packed with a 33,100 mAh lithium-ion battery, this power station packs a massive 2000-watt AC inverter to run coffee machines, kettles, fridges, even Tesla with ease. Featuring a wide range of output options including 6 AC outlets, dual 15-watt wireless chargers, 1 PD 60-watt USB-C, 4 USB-A ports, and many more, it can run a wide range of devices efficiently. You can easily recharge this power station using any 700-watt solar panel in outdoors to extend your trip. It also features a touch LCD panel which shows the power station's current status in real time and an LED light to provide essential brightness in the dark. It has built-in battery management system which improves battery utilization and extends the battery service life while ensuring safety for your devices. Its compact design allows you to easily carry it in your car and run your devices at car camping trip. The Bluetti AC200 is the ultimate power solution for your car camping that can keep your party alive and lets you enjoy. The NEMO Helio LX pressure shower is a larger version of the beloved Helio with a couple stellar upgrades. It is ideal for showering, cleaning dishes, or rinsing off gear on your car camping. Unlike conventional gravity-fed systems, the Helio systems rest on the ground and is pressurized by an integrated foot pump, delivering excellent water pressure. Its water bag is made out of polyurethane-coated polyester, which makes it durable and 100% leak-proof to make your usage worry-free. Keep the silicone sleeve hose nozzle in the open position, set the system up inside a Heliopolis privacy shelter and control it like your home shower faucet. It has a 22-liter capacity with a 2.1-meter hose that provides 7 to 10 minutes of water pressure to elevate your shower or cleaning experience in outdoors. The NEMO Helio LX can fulfill all of your water needs on a car camping trip and offers a mesmerizing shower experience in outdoors. Prefer your morning cuppa with the side of mountain views? The Eureka Camp Cafe coffee maker serves up a top-notch morning brew on your car camping and enough of it to share with your buddies. Its 2.5-liter boiling kettle features patented flush-string technology, which increases efficiency and boils water twice as fast, while its large 12-cup brewing capacity fills everyone's mug. This coffee maker lets you measure the right amount of coffee every time with included scoop and stay water-free, as its pour-over style filter cone is compatible with standard 4 filters. With a perfect combination of hard anodized aluminum, silicone and food-grade BPA-free polypropylene, this coffee maker is 100% safe to use. It also features heat-resistant silicone grips for safe and secure use. With this coffee maker, cleanup is easy and fast. Just pull the coffee grounds and go. Its compact nesting system design offers easy transport and storage. Enjoy the perfect cup of coffee with your loved ones thanks to Eureka Camp Cafe camping coffee maker and stay refreshed. And you can own one for your trip at around $110. Keep all of your food fresh and drinks icy cold on your car camping trip with ICECO iCooler. A unique 3-in-1 freezer that ensures you always enjoy fresh food in outdoors. The iCooler lets you use it as a fridge freezer and cooler to match your needs. In freezer mode, it offers 0 to 50° Fahrenheit precise temperature control to ensure your camping food always stays fresh. As a cooler, it offers more than 7 days of ice retention and comes with 2 power modes including Eco mode, which makes it energy efficient and offers excellent cooling for a long time. Made from premium materials, this cooler is super durable. It can even work in a bumpy range of 30 degrees without affecting use. It also features convenient cup holders on the top to spice up the party. The iCooler can be used with your car's 2-volt cigarette port or via your home's AC port. It also comes with 3-stage safety features to ensure safety for you and the cooler. The ICECO iCooler is an innovative 3-in-1 cooler in its category and ensures all of your camping food stays fresh and drinks icy cold. This unique cooler is going through its crowdfunding campaign and you can back them up. No car camping is complete without a tent. That's why you should have YAKIMA Skyrise, a unique rooftop tent that ensures you always stay comfortable and protected in any weather condition. With a capacity of 2 to 3 people, the Skyrise offers excellent living space and comes with zippered mesh windows that zip open to improve ventilation and provides a view of the starry skies. Made from the same lightweight and breathable 210D nylon material, it comes with rainfly with PU coating to protect you from elements. Its thick 2.5-inch wall-to-wall foam mattress provides cushy comfort so that you can enjoy the perfect good night's sleep after a long day of adventure. This tent's aluminum poles are light, strong, and preset to make pitching a breeze, while it has tool-free vehicle mounts means it's easy to put on and quick to take off. Light, strong, and technically advanced, the new Skyrise rooftop tent is built to provide comfort and shelter on your car camping, and you can get it starting from $1,000. So that was all about the best 10 car camping gear for you. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. And do subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.